This
check the
conference will
audit
now
book.
be recorded.
Do you check the audit book? Is it useful for you?
But that is documents are not related at it. That is just interaction of like you're sending a document, no?
Yes,
That
yes,
is
yes.
this is like what is SAP and what is information. You
Acha,
send one PPT, no? That is just a basic. Who are working in a chartered accounts, no?
acha, okay. For audit only, I have just one to two document.
That is internet. I'm checking that internet. This is the
Yes,
internet
yes. Only
document.
internet I have downloaded that.
See the introduction. See here, introduction to how to introduction to SAP. Like who are joining SAP the first time? You're providing all those
Yes,
things.
yes. Acha, okay.
See what did I say dated here, or that it will be there. But these books are also not getting.
The next one is one book is there.
SAP 1.5.
Uh, the next one. Just a minute. Acha,
SAP
this
is not.
one.
It's a different one. It's course based.
Acha, okay.
Course hero. It's not SAP books. It's a different books.
Acha, okay, okay.
So your SAP standard books are the Arium 900, and this is the one.
Acha,
No SAP.
okay.
Just read that like how is that? This is the one audit. And for this for do certificate audit.
Acha,
So
okay,
these
understand.
books are all in like this basic security. You also can do that certification for it. Who are working in Deloitte or maybe if you're working Deloitte, this is very, very useful for you. Because Deloitte company and the Capgemini company and the KPMG company, these are for only for audit, majorly for audit. These are the security area 940, area 900.
So
Okay.
this is 40,000.
No, that is exam cost, examination fees.
Acha, okay, okay.
Any examination fees 40,000 only.
Okay. Acha, sir, if you anyone try to do the certification, then what's the procedure?
There is no directly can apply it.
But actually, one of my friend tried to do that, but uh, the consultancy, they actually he went to the consultancy. They charged for 3 to 4 lakh rupees for HANA certification.
That is the certification, not certification. You know, you directly wrote the exam. See, this is the one. So follow this black. You don't paying as
Acha.
you have to write it also. This year onwards is changing. Why are you paying 3 to 4 lakh is nothing, but those are part of the course along with
The all materials of training.
so this is the one procedure.
Acha.
Directly can
Okay.
directly. There is nothing is there. Everything is so here. Previously, what happened? You had to enter the company detail, but now does not require any company details also. Directly, you have to like see here. I'm a self-employed.
Okay.
So I mean, self-employed means what are the details not asking here? Your company name, customer number, just
Yeah,
a
that's not. Yes.
city,
Okay.
and do it directly.
Okay.
Just good. Just follow this like same terminology. You need to go for control 6 directly.
Okay.
Now coming to our subject, see the recording is
Hmm.
going on. Yeah. See here. So what are the situation you complete till now? First one is the case one. Case one, what we done? So any employee will be joined into organization. Well, what we do? I had to providing as a full permission. How we can provide full permissions here?
The profile tab. Go for the
So
profile
for
tab and
profile, okay, and go for assigning as a profile. So
profile and
you
the
can
SAP
what
all
we call you can getting so he's getting as a full authorization.
full authorization. Yes.
So this method in security point of what we can calling as a
Direct access method.
SAP is not recommended this method.
Yes.
We do the second method. What the second method is there? So for SUG,
one
I had to create
user.
one user ID. And how we can provide get a few transaction codes from here?
To go to the PFCG and just
Huh?
go to the PFCG.
Yes, eh? So,
Yes, yes.
okay. After all, you can assign the channel. So this method what we call
Indirect method. Indirectly access method. Yes. SAP recommend this one.
So SAP recommended indirect access. But here, when you go indirect access methods, you have some drawback will be there. Okay? What a drawback here? So here in this topic only SBD is also came into picture. Okay? This is the heart of your SAP securities.
Okay.
Now here, sir, now I'm just, you say example purpose. So I have to go for SU01 and I'm creating as a one user, one role, and assigning some relation. SU01, SU10, SU and PFC MSS. Okay. So one more employee will be joining. In what will I'm creating a user to assigning as a he's also security consultant or basis consultant. Above guys is a basis security. Okay. So like this. Okay. Now I want to providing this kind of role and this kind of procedure. Any risk is there or not?
Risk means
Means I followed this procedure. Any risk is there?
no, there is no risk because it's not harm to the system.
Hmm?
Yes, the user one also get one problem that PFCG.
Yeah. So you say risk is there. So means here both are having some common transition.
Yes.
Common transition. The common transition is the SU01 here. Sir, common transition means like suppose in my company basis team 20 members is there and security concern 20 members is there. Everyone is working in the same transition code, no? But how we can say
Exactly.
risk or not?
Exactly. Yes.
Doing as a security perspective, there is no risk. But when you come into audit point of view, you have risk will be there. What is the risk is there is nothing but now what he's doing is now I'm providing SU01 access from him and he also. Then what he's doing? He's entering as a my user ID.
Yes, he
His
can enter. Yes.
personal details and even changing as a my password. He's locking my user ID. Or else he's doing as a some other like he's changing my address. He's changing as my mail ID. If you change the mail ID automatically, what happened? You're not getting any notification on anything.
Exactly.
Cross-checking us. So this kind of activity is doing. He's also SUG1 access and he's also doing this kind of activities. And where is the security here? So how we can resolve the problem for this?
So we
Situation
can.
you are having SUG1, I have the SUG1 access. So silly point of what I'll do here, what I'm doing here, I had to enter the user ID. I'm entering as user ID. What I did here, I had to enter user ID and I'm changing as a password. Or else I'm just log off. Or else I'm changing as a logon date. I'm changing that. Suppose login is done. Okay. No, I don't check it. Okay, the validation is changing. Suppose my company is giving as a 1 year access, but this guy is doing as a for 6 months. I don't cross checking. Maybe when the 6 months is came into picture, then I'm getting that the user is expired. Like that, you get a message. But in between, what happened? Any audit will be came into picture. Any audit will be came into picture. Those are cross checking. Okay, who are changing this? So at that time, those are finding this guy. At that time, this calling. Any uses there? There is no use. And audit will be a different. Okay, that will be different because of my company during a user creation in 1 year. Okay, but this guy is doing some activity like he's changing as a my validation is to 6 months. But already my company is paying 1 year license. Okay, but I don't know anything about that. It's changing on. So when you prepare the loss, it's showing as 6 months. But you're paying 1 year. Where is the 50% the loss? Just assume as I had paying is 1 year for 1 lakh. 6 months, how much you had to pay? 50 lakh, 50,000 you had to pay. The added point of is a 50,000, but security cost is 1 lakh is there. Means 50,000 where the 50,000 will be lost.
Mm-hmm.
So this guy is doing, it's okay. Then he's not informed to anyone. So you don't observe this kind of activities also. Why? Because when the situations came into picture, when your password is expired, when do you know that why this password actually can contact a security concern, then there's preparing the report. Otherwise, no one is asked. Okay,
Okay.
otherwise you don't know anything about it. You don't get any notification also when you do any switch in SUG whatever.
Mm-hmm.
Then what we'll do here? So that it will be team will become so that the finding the issue is very, very difficult to put that. Okay. So this
Okay.
kind of images, okay, this kind of act we can perform. Then what is the procedure you want to follow? So what is solution for this problem? You have two solutions will be there. Solution one. What is solution one?
So I
So
can
anyone
give the display option to him.
hmm?
I can give the display option to him or remove
Yeah, first
the.
of all, the permanent solution is the remove the transition code from him. When you
Mm.
remove the transition, what happened? Is scolding you why I want to compulse this without I'm not practicing. Solution two. So without remove the transition, you're providing as a only display access from him.
Mm.
Is meaning of display here.
That
No,
means he just can see the his data. Data
that
means
is
the
what is
what
that
role.
meaning? Technically, what we call like I want to disable the create also. I
Mm.
want to provide
Yes.
we call this all you can call it as activities.
Yes.
Like in
Activities.
SAP, how
Yes.
many activities will be there? How
Mm.
we can follow this procedure? So how I know this particular transaction for restriction purpose?
Mm. Okay.
Using as a case 3. So means you have to following as a SAP standard. SAP standard security hierarchy.
Okay.
So what is standard hierarchy is there here? So first of all, in SAP security our responsibility, what is our responsibilities? Are to creating any user. I had to create any user. So what is my responsibility is login and is doing some operation. Means if he is doing some operation, what will do? What will do? We don't know
Mm.
anything. I've just created the user ID. Okay, now what I'll do here? He is able to access something. Okay, how we can able to access here? So he's finally is able to access as a some T code. T code means he's able to access some application. In T
Mm.
code, what is meaning
Yes.
code here? Normally you can call T code is nothing but kind of shortcut, is a wrap code.
Mm.
Take it
Okay.
like this. Security point of view, T code, okay, is a collection of classes, object, fields, okay, as well as a
Okay.
field values and object activities and everything. That is coming to your.
Ah.
So here, sir, how the ABAP team who are create the transition in real time? The transition codes are created by the ABAP team. How they're doing creation or do changes for existing one SE93. By using the SE93, you have to create a new transition code or existing standard transition, you have to customize it. Okay.
Okay.
Now,
Mhm.
one doubt. Sir, why those are dividing as a transition code starting S later, M later, S later, okay, and P later, or say F later, or say
Mm.
any X letter, or B letter, E letters is there. Why they are
Mm.
dividing? How those are dividing? What are the considerations those dividing?
I don't know.
The answer, everyone having an SAP, every transition starting S is better, na? Why those are
Uh-huh.
dividing S, B, something like that? Why they're dividing?
So dividing the module wise.
Yeah, module wise. In technically, what we call security point of view, what we call in calling as a authorization classes. in calling as a classes. Okay. So the classes naming will be like PC, Finance, HR, MM, SD. The classes naming will be like that. Naming. Again, class consists of some operations is there. Okay. Suppose HR guys, what they're doing? They're creating there's some employee ID or that. So means the operation. How the operations will be restricted based on the technically class comes under object.
Okay.
Class student. Class consists of object. Okay. Yeah. Authorization, what we can calling as authorization object. So remember here, suppose the transaction code starting with yes letter, the authorization object also starting yes letter. Okay.
Okay.
So the transaction code starting with F letter, authorization object also starting F letter. Okay. The transaction code starting M letter, the authorization object also starting with M letter.
Sir, here the object one is that thing, na, the S underscore T code. That is the object.
Yeah, that is one. Yeah, the naming convention, just naming convention starting letter I'm saying. S underscore T code, S underscore USGR, even F underscore is there, M underscore will be there, anything. That is one. The
Acha.
base transition code, the objects also divided.
Okay. Okay.
Naming convention.
Hmm.
Means suppose the transition code starting with F, means the authorization object starting with F. The authorization object is the transition code starting M, the authorization object is M later.
Yes.
So remember, you know only S star S related, but you have in the finance, you have finance is there, HR object is there. You can see all practical. Okay.
Okay. Yes.
Again, now where the objects are stored in the format database level. In database level, how it is stored? In the format number of rows and columns. Now, when you're creating any employee ID, so how we can restrict that based on the field wise only. So that what happened in the object, those are restricting based on the field. Okay. Again, the field consists of activities. You say the create option, change option, delete option. Okay, that's coming. This you can call it as authorization
Value
values, or you can call it as a activities.
activities.
These are now here. This is about means when you're defining when you're designing any new transaction code. So those are thinking as these are all these features. Then only do the designing the transaction. And our first agenda is what happened. I want to assign this transaction code to the particular user. How to assign this particular to a user? You're using as a two method. What is
Yes.
the indirect
One.
access method?
Yes.
So what
Indirect.
indirect access method is there? So I
Just
have to
make
go
a
for a
role.
I'm assigning as it is. RS.
Hmm.
With role, how to assign it? You have to go for profile.
SU01 and profile section, and I can give that.
Okay, go for profile. Now, what is meaning of profile? Why the profile consists of? Okay. So when you add the transaction code, okay, when you add the transaction, automatically what happens? This all comes under this. Okay. This standard classes, object, or fields undo any changes that everything recorded in the format of profile only. Mean the profile consists of this, all these changes.
Yes.
Again, under profile, you have to create a profile can
Role
be assigned to your role. Role can be assigned to your user.
user.
Okay, this is the method. So direct method, either directly can assign the profile to here also. So this is the
Yes.
directly. This is the sorry. This is the direct access method.
Direct.
Add to the profile only. I'm getting a authorization object and everything. I'm directly assigning this to particular user. Update also you have to create manually. Okay, and this method what we call
Indirectly method.
coming to practical session. So how to create the user IDs? Condition is
SU01.
there. SU01, SU10 even. So I had to go for some third party like scripting based at mass user.
Okay.
A role. How to create the role?
PFCG
PF
or
and PFUD. Mass data read. How to create the profile? SU02, SUPC. Now, how to create the classes, object, fields, and activity? SU03 and SU21. How to create a transition? SU19. These are the
okay.
technical point of view for all this. Even coming to table wise. Okay, now in the database level, how this is stored here? Overall data will be stored in the format of rows and columns only. Okay, now this all user information storing the table names are the USR 012. The tables are totally divided into three types: standard table, customizing table, and standard table, security point of view, standard table, role table, user table. So all user information is storing as a USR for USR 012, USR 40 table. Okay?
Okay.
All role table information. When the role table
AGR.
information is stored AGR star. And coming
Okay.
to your all authorization classes, these are the standard table. E class. All objects. Where is storing all object? TOBJ. Table for authorization object. Please you don't know. And T act. What the T act is there here? Table for authorization. Sorry, table for authorization activities and values. And where is
Okay.
stored all the authorization codes? It is storing as a TSTC. This is the
Okay.
table point of database level monitoring reporting. Okay, so you have to do all those. Okay.
Okay.
So I had to creating any user. Under user I'm assigning a role. Under role you're assigning any transition code. The transition code consists of these all the details.
Hmm.
You know
Okay.
these all the details, then only you're perfectly sick. Based on that I can follow all steps one by one.
Hmm.
Now coming to
Understood.
practical, we will go for all the details one by one.
Hmm.
Scenario 3. Okay. So please
Yes.
share the.
Yeah, sure. Yes.
Hello, please share the screen.
Yes. Yes, I shared it.
I'm not able to see that. Yeah, now I can see access.
Yes. Yes.
Yeah, first of all, create one user ID.
Okay.
Don't provide anything, just creating user. That's enough.
Okay.
User is user only provide. Just provide the naming like user or something. Okay, no problem.
Hmm. Okay. 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Last name is not provided. Last name is mandatory, no?
Yes.
But you don't provide last name.
Acha, okay. Yes. Okay. User is created.
Okay, now go for this is the SAP G 760, no? That's why the options are changing. The G is
This is the latest one.
760 latest version.
Yes.
Okay. Now go for PFCC, create one role from here.
Okay.
Click on create a single row.
Okay.
Description. No, provide a description. Add
Acha.
only one transaction, that is SU01.
Okay. Just a minute. Acha, only SU01.
Hmm.
Okay.
Hmm. Now here assign the transaction code. Now see here, as per our definition, role consists of profile. How the profiles are here, that all are coming to your authorization objects. So go for here. Menu, I know that. What is meaning of menu here? Sir, when you log on to this, okay, right side is showing a new tab. Okay, that's okay, I understand. Okay, now here, go for authorization tab. Authorization. What is meaning authorization tab here? That particular transaction code, what are the things are there? Classes, object,
Yes.
fields, that all are coming to your single shot authorization. That's why
Yes.
authorization tab is there. Means
Yes.
what is mean
Exactly.
authorization here? The authorization is nothing but, so it comes under all profile, sorry, comes under classes, object, field values, everything is came into picture.
Mm,
That's why
mm,
the
mm.
authorization tab is available here.
Okay.
Okay. The authorization again here, how we can providing change the authorization data means why you're changing this? Sir, SU01 having as standard classes, standard authorization object, standard field, and standard values. I don't want that. I want to changing as my client requirement.
Okay.
That's why change authorization data means SAP by default how is providing by use actually during installation SU22 and SU24 these two transaction code consist of what are the authorization update is available in your SAP. Okay, showing as all the details one by one here on. Okay, now what I'll do here, yes, the transaction code providing is new one. Okay, now what I'll do here, I want to changing that as per my client requirement. Okay,
Mhm.
the hmm,
Okay.
change the yes, change the authorization data.
Yes. Just a minute.
Hmm.
Okay.
Close it. I'll explain client version now. Now
Mm.
this screen is very, very, very important for your entire SAP GI, so SAP securities. So what is this? What is this? What is this one here? I told now the authorization. So under authorization, what are the things is there here? It's showing us all this. So what are this thing? A, B, B, C underscore H. What are this? So those are you can calling as a classes.
Okay.
Okay,
Okay.
classes. So what a class here? The in the above is there. What is field name? Field name. What the field name is there? You have four columns. What are four columns? The first column name. Under first column again you have three fields. The group slash object slash authorization slash field. Means here is showing group is nothing but class. What the class name is there here? AAB. What is meaning AAB here? Class application for authorization object. BC
Acha.
underscore BC underscore A. Sir, how I know that? So here definition is there, na? Don't expand it. Just
Basis.
mention it.
Yes.
Okay.
Basis
So
administration.
basis
PL.
HR. What is HR? These are HR. Sir, how I
The
know
human
how
resource.
to picture? These classes are came into paper your SU22 and SU24. I will explain that. Now, sir, I want to know that why these three classes only there? Why don't have in SAP a lot of modules are there? Na? I want to cross check
Yes.
this all this module. As per our definition, so that is sufficient or not. Open the new session. Go
Mm.
for transaction code SU03.
SU03. Okay.
Hmm. Okay. What is this? What is this meaning? What is the
Object
transaction code
class.
meaning here? Edit the authorization and profile. Okay. Under here the two columns is there. Classes as well as text. Now which
Okay.
class is when you go for the PLC, which class is showing? AAB. What is meaning AAB here?
AABER.
Hmm.
AABER. Cross application authorization objects.
Object. That's okay. Fine. Next one. Scroll down. Even BC underscore A. What is that
Yes.
meaning?
Basis and administration.
HR.
HR is human resource. Okay.
MM.
M M.
Okay, like you say, all classes is there. Okay, fine. Now,
Yes.
as per diagram previously, class consists of
Class consists of the object.
object. Double click on
Uh,
any class here. Hmm. Double click on any class here. Any class, double click on it. It is showing us an object.
I can see the object here.
Object consists of
Object consists of the values, authorization
fields.
values. Acha,
Fields consist of values. Double click on that. So these are
This is the field.
how many times it's changing. See how many times it's changing this authorization object, around 4 or 5 times it's changing. See how to know that these are the profiles. See that's
Yes,
if you
it's
do
all the profiles.
in that particular authorization object showing the profile name. Okay. Again,
Okay.
double click. Still the destination is not completed.
Okay.
Okay. Field consists of activity. What are the activities there here?
Activities.
Star is nothing but star is nothing but full.
Acha, there is a star. Yes.
Means is a full.
Full authorization. Full. Acha.
Same thing. Compare it to PFC also. PFC also has the same thing or not?
Yes. Yes. PFCG authorization tab is the same thing.
No, that is okay. Fine. I'm saying go for PFCG in authorization tab. Then you are checking. Now your job definition is satisfied or not.
Yes. That thing. So this is the class. This is the object. This is the profile. That means field, and this
To
is
do
the
any
activity.
changes, activities
Yes.
and values. Okay,
Okay.
values. What is there entire including on those? Okay.
Okay.
So those are the technical term. Class consists of object consists of field consists of values. Okay, sir. Now what is my requirement? Suppose how this all is coming to picture here. How this all, why only this many getting, why don't get all is not getting? Why only this is getting, how this are getting here? How this
Because
are getting? Because you are assigning as SU01 transaction.
yes, only one transaction code. Yes.
Even no, this thing means you're assigning the transaction that is getting. For example, go for menu tab, just go for save and generate and go back. Now, if you want to delete the transaction code there, then what happens? You can't say execute. Now go for back.
Yes.
Go for menu tab.
Menu tab. Yes. Okay.
Delete the transaction code. -2. Okay. Yes. Now save it.
Save.
Authorization is red color. Go for authorization.
Sorry.
Change the authorization data.
Nothing is there. And here is also the showing the deleted authorization values.
Actually, click on change authorization data. I'm not able to see this screen.
Sir, just a minute. I'll just check my internet.
Okay. Yeah, now I'm see that. Now authorization field. Now I'm checking. Yes.
Yes.
We're in hotel.
So.
Okay.
No, I'm not in hotel.
Okay, fine. Okay, now it's okay, fine. Okay, now see here it is empty. Why is showing empty here? Because we don't
because
maintain
I have
anything.
deleted that. Yes.
When you assign the transaction code and the transaction, you have the all standard object. You can changing as per our requirement. Okay. Now again go for menu tab and add the transaction code. Okay, click on OK. Generate and
Yes. That's fine. Okay. Save.
No, okay, fine. See now I want to know that. Okay, these all are again. See the second column is standard. It's showing standard means is standard. If you do changes, it's showing as a maintained. So you have totally 4 status is standard, manually changed or deactivated. Okay. So 4 status is there. The all statuses you have to cross check one by one here only. Now here, sir, you have lot of authorization objects is there. Which authorization object I want restricted for this particular transaction code? Normally, you're using as a standard one, you're using as a based on the transaction code, you know that. But here what happened now? How I know that which transaction code is to restrict? Sorry, which is the authorization object restricting as a particular SU01? Okay, then you have to open the new.
Hmm.
Now data of objects is there. How I know which are the authorization object I want to restrict it?
Yes.
Go for SE93 because the
Yes.
transaction code is SE93 and you are checking SE here only. And enter the transaction code SU01. Which transaction you want to click on display is showing as a authorization object and values. So what authorization object is there here?
The authorization object is s user grp.
S underscore user underscore grp.
Grp. Yes.
Means you're restricting the authorization object. Automatically what happened? It is also affected.
Okay.
I can see that S underscore user underscore.
It's a values, right?
Hmm? No, that is authorization. That is a field and value. That is the object considered field and value. Okay. Now
Acha.
copy the
Okay.
authorization object.
This which option I have to go?
Now copy that. Just copy it. Copy and
Acha.
control.
Acha.
The copy and control C. And now go for find this authorization object into your role.
Okay. Acha.
Click on Control F. Find the object. Find the object.
Acha. Find the object.
So it's showing as a object as well as a only that will be highlighted. See that the technical name S underscore USL underscore. Now here change the activity. Now what is my requirement? I want to provide only display. Change the activity.
So this one, the SU01 object.
Yes, is there S underscore US underscore GRP. That one only highlighted. Na remaining is not available. S
Acha. Okay.
underscore US
Okay.
underscore.
Yes. Yes. Yes.
Hmm.
So
Okay,
activity.
and click on, change the just click on change. Now prior the only these are the activities. So if you want to add new activity, you have to do activity. So say we provide like you have totally 256 and more than 200 will be there. How to check this all the activities? Nothing but go for T Act and you can checking out all the activities. Based on
Which transaction code?
the SC16, enter the table name T Act
T Act. Okay.
per activity.
Okay.
Under table you can checking all activity. You have more than 200 plus is there.
Acha.
Okay.
Okay.
The version is changing. Okay. So but SU01, these are the activities will be there. So in
So
SU01,
this
create option, change option, delete option.
these are
Only
the
this.
standard.
Yeah. These are all standard. These are all standard. Okay. These are
Acha.
standard. These icons only working. So if you don't
Acha.
like it, add the new one or you can existing also you can delete it.
Acha. Okay.
Okay. So now what we'll do, my requirement is I want to provide only a display. Provide the only display.
Yes. Just a minute. First of all, delete or deselect and display. Okay. And save. Okay. Only display.
Okay, that's okay. But here above one option, what option is the class? What is
Class.
meaning class in the description? User group in user master. Which group I want to restrict it? Right now I don't know which group. I don't know anything about the group name. You know,
Yes.
the group name. Or is just putting the star.
Acha.
If you don't just putting the star means everyone restricted. In real time, you give the group name. You can't change. In SU here, what are the groups you created? Under the group, your user will be there, then is able to restrict it. Otherwise, is not able to do. The browse option is showing the. So in real time, you have to provide the company name. Okay, and okay, now you have two groups. Now the basis is there. The basis group, what other users are there? I don't know anything about that. Even just now you
Yes.
create the user is not able to basis group, na? So you
Yes.
don't know. If you know basis group, then you can give only basis group. Okay, that
Okay.
user has the basis, you can get the user group. Okay.
Okay.
Now I just I put star. Means
Just put star.
without this star is not working. Star is nothing but full. All groups are restricted.
Acha. Okay.
Save it.
So, sir, just a minute. Here I am putting the star means these both are restricted.
Both are restricted, but you don't know, no. But in this group, you don't know what are the user IDs are. You don't know anything about that. So that's
Uh-huh.
why you have to go for user tab. You're assigning some user ID there.
Acha. Okay. So if client need to disable this
Specify
one,
the group name. You can
restricted
give the
for
group
this
name.
one, so I can put the this one.
Compulsory in real time, you have to give the star. You don't put it. Star is not
Acha.
recommended. If you don't
Acha.
anything like that and you want to do immediately, you can put the star.
Acha.
So in
Okay.
real time, the company codes, everything can putting as a manual only. Okay.
Manual. Yes.
Now click
Yes.
the. Now what status is there? Now status is previously standard is there. Now it is updated or changed it.
Yes. Yes.
Click on generate.
Acha.
Save it and
Generate.
first of all save after that generate.
Okay. Then generate.
Now is in the one profile. Now whatever changes is done, that will be recording into one profile. Where the profile name is there, all these profiles are generated. Okay, previously generated. Huh?
Yes. Yes.
Yes.
Yes.
Now go back.
Mm.
Suppose the user group have okay now it's getting again generate. Generate.
Yes.
Now the user suppose the group having a some user ID, you didn't go for user, you don't go for user tab. You can login check it. But the group don't know any user ID is there. Then what we do? Go for as a user tab. User tab. User. I want to assign this to a particular user ID.
Acha.
Hmm. Otherwise, what happened? In the group already is there, na? In the group, when the group is the user is there, you don't maintain this field. Okay.
Group means?
In the authorization object, you have to group one group is there, na? Basis group some group. In
Yes.
the group,
Yes. Yes.
you have
Yes.
any user is there, no need to log on, no need to assign here. Okay. In the group already user is there, na? Is automatically
Acha.
taking. The group
Okay.
is not having that user, na? That's why we're providing it again user separately here.
Okay. Okay.
Hmm. Click the user comparison.
Mm.
Full comparison.
Okay.
Okay, now click on save. Now log in.
Mm.
Check the output.
SQ01, and if I want to create, sorry, it's not authorized. Change is not there, delete also not there, copy is also not. Yes, copy is there. How can I copy? Because I didn't take the
No, give
copy.
the from value and to value is then select the from value and JDP existing user, new you can give the new user ID.
Acha, okay. Acha,
No,
it's
what happened?
showing
Don't
that
have
it's not
authorization.
authorized.
No,
Yes.
nothing is there. Don't have only display is there. No?
Yes. Change password. If the only display option is there. If
Okay, now again, if you're providing any other details, just select it and just delete it. Try to delete it. Existing display only possible.
okay. So if want to delete, it's not authorized. Okay.
Okay, so now here, same process, add one more transaction code like SU10 and do that now. In SU01, SU10 also I want to providing only display. Do that now.
Where in this user ID?
Same user ID, same rule. Add one more transaction, that is SU10.
Acha.
Okay, I want to doing as a
Just a minute.
SU10. I want to only display. Don't create any one again. Again, just same process. You can just follow that. That's it.
SU10.
Hmm. Add one more transaction. Now I want to SU10. I want to only display.
Just okay. This one.
What are
I
the
have to
authorization
find
update
that.
restricted?
I have to find that the new user ID added.
Not user ID, SU new transaction code you added, SU10.
And AC10, I have added the new transaction code, but I have to find here the object name.
How to no, that is not
Acha,
required. That is a S underscore T code that you have to add it. But I
yes,
want to know which was the authorization object you use it.
yes. So I have to check that the which authorization object it's for the ACU10.
Yes.
Okay. So it's AC93 ACU10 display. Acha, this is the same. Yeah, this is the same.
Means here, remember small thing here. Only what here is not getting any new thing. Same authorization update it is restricting SU10 also because of both are same purpose. That is single and this is the multiple. Okay. So
Sir, how
scroll.
can I identify that the two transaction code have the same?
No. This is the
You
single
can
and
check
same
the.
creation is the creation. No? The purpose
Acha,
is changed. This is single and this is
yes,
one, but the operation update is the same. Okay.
yes.
Only one authorization update restricted. Suppose I want to restricting SU10 freshly. Below one is the old one. Actually, getting one more. The duplicates is not getting. Go back once again. You not click on change. Go back once again. Generate. Generate. Go for menu tab once again.
Menu
SU10 added. PFC is also added. Okay. Go for authorization tab.
authorization tab.
It's showing difference new one and click on change the authorization data. Click on expand. Click on add circle.
Yes.
Scroll down. Not showing the activity. Below one is for click on activate that. Click on activate that.
Okay.
Below the profile names are changing. Now below one is SC. There is a new one. Upon is the existing one. So now providing a SU10, just provide. Click on change button.
This is the SU01. The I have added this one.
Yeah, that is the one is SU10.
Acha,
Because
okay.
below change activity you want to change. No?
Acha,
Activate and
activity. Yes, activity.
providing
Okay.
as active only for display.
Only display. Okay. Oh, okay. It's also making one.
No need. That is the activation or deactivation that authorization object.
Acha, okay.
Class you can change. The class you can put the star, na?
Class, yes, class. I can give the full star. Okay, so save, generate. Okay. EFCG. If anyone tried finding use single row, it's not authorized. Authorized. Yes. And only display option is there.
No, not PFCs. Also. You had SU10, no? PFC, the
Achha,
operations
sorry,
is
sorry.
different.
Yes,
No?
yes, yes, yes. AC10. Yes.
Try to create.
Not authorized.
You're not authorized to creating. Change.
Change also not
Existing
authorized.
user ID, how to change it? It does not exist.
Yes. Okay. Yes, yes. Delete also. Acha. Not exist. Acha, not exist.
Same thing to do the PFCG also. Already PFC is there.
Yes,
PFCG,
PFC is already there.
PFC I want to put only display.
But I have to know that the what the transaction, what the authorization
PFCG.
object. Yes.
You want to know what authorization object you want to display.
Display. Acha. Find object. This one is
Is there no actually I want to put only display. S underscore US underscore AGR.
yeah.
Only the check all, providing only display.
Only display. Okay. Sir, when I've done the display, it's making automatically.
No, not that is a deactivation. One is a deactivation, one is activation. Standard one is
Acha.
deactivated, custom is activated.
Acha. Okay.
Now, what next we again above one role name? No, that is there, but what the above one activity group? What the role you
Yes,
want to provide
activity
display?
group.
Which role? I don't know in my mind what are the role I want to able to create it. Okay,
Yes.
just click on star. So if you are with a particular role name, give a particular role name. Star,
Acha.
give the star.
Okay. So
Because
when
of
I don't know anything, so I can give the star.
put the star. So if you know the role name, that particular role name is able to display. That particular role name only is able to create. In
Okay.
that particular role is able to changing. You have to give the
Acha.
role names. If you know the anything, just give the particular detail. Otherwise, just give the star.
Okay. Okay, understand.
Generate. Every time generation should be compulsory. Generate should be compulsory.
Generate.
Okay, the profiles are updated.
Okay, so if I try to EFCG, not authorized.
Creating, deleting, changing, anything.
Nothing.
Same process do the SUGR also.
Only the display option is getting.
SUGR.
SUZR. Okay. Just Jet user is logged.
It's already open somewhere. That's why showing the lock.
Acha, okay, acha, here. Okay. It's locked.
Hmm. No, you're open somewhere. Just click on that. You have to close that. You're already editing somewhere. You're editing here, na? This is one
Yes,
editing.
yes, yes, yes. Okay. So it's already exist. Yes.
Add the
New
SVGR.
SUGR. Okay. Okay. And acha, SUGR, no?
Hmm.
So SU53 I have to check.
Hmm.
93.
Hmm.
Acha, AC 93.
Hmm.
SUGR.
See, it's not showing anything. Then what we'll do?
Yes. Yes.
So again, it's a related for your user group only, na? So the object is
Hmm.
common. S underscore user. You have to do the description. Click on maintain the values. Just click on the values. She's showing empty there also. Okay. Then use the same authorization object. S underscore because of these are all related, interlinked will be there. Go for same authorization object, providing the display.
Acha. So I can search it through the maintenance group and this transact text also.
Yeah, text also you can just cross check in the text. You can understand there also.
Okay. It's not showing.
No, that's it. Just click on close it. Go for S underscore US and AJ. That's all directly.
Acha. Okay.
Hmm. Below is then just activate the below one. Not
Okay.
S underscore US and the GRP. User group. AGR is nothing but role.
Acha. Okay.
Not
Okay.
identify the S underscore using PR. Well, there is a profile. S underscore using A2H user mentioned for authorization. So you have
Yes.
to read the authorization update based on last one activate. Last one. Zero
Acha.
two is
Last
there, no? Activate the 02.
this one.
Activate that.
Okay. Activate and only in the display option.
Hmm.
Okay. And here also this.
Hmm.
Is there anything? Acha. I don't know. Also star.
Hmm.
Okay. Generate. Okay. So I have to log in once more. SUGR. Okay, so if any try to do no authorization,
Hmm.
change also no authorization. If display is there, yes, the display is there,
Hmm.
and delete No, not possible. Yes.
So this is the way of like take the 4 or 5 transition. You can do all those things is better. Okay,
Okay.
one by one, just keep cross checking all those things. Now I'm forward one case study to you. Just go for your mail ID.
Okay. Just
The third scenario. Hmm.
down.
Hmm. Okay, open the first case study. So
Open.
remaining is not required. First we can do that.
Acha, not third one.
No, no, first one is XAP security case study is there, na? That's the printer, first one.
Acha, this one. Security. Okay.
Open that and do that. That is a ready requirement only. Okay,
Okay.
do
Okay.
that. And tomorrow you can go for continuation files, SU53 and SUI.
Okay. Okay.
Okay,
Okay.
do this. Okay, bye.
Okay.
So I sent the recording. I think you received the recording.
Yes, I received the recording. Yes. Yes. I received the recording.